Good day to you everyone. Welcome to Eco Travelers. I am Earl, your first tour guide in today's tour, taking you to two wonderful ecosystems, which are tropical rainforest and the open ocean. To begin, let us go and explore the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests across the world are quite diverse, but share several defining characteristics such as climate, precipitation, canopy structure, complex symbiotic relationships, and diverse of species. Tropical rainforests lie on intertropical convergence zone, where intense solar energy produces a convection zone of rising air, loses its moisture through frequent rainstorms. Animals most likely found are okapi, tapir, Sumatran rhinoceros, lowland gorillas, jaguars, poison dart frogs, and many more.
Let us now try to explore our tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests are the most biologically diverse terrestrial ecosystems in the world. It supports a greater number and variety of plants and animals than any other biome. One of the reasons for this great variety of organisms is the continuous warmth and ample rainfall in this region. Tropical rainforests also provide a nearly constant supply of water and a wide variety of food and shelter for the animals. In the rainforest biome, there is no dearth of resources. However, sunlight is typically restricted to the canopy layer. As the canopy layer blocks sunlight, the forest floor receives less than 2% of the same.
Hi, this is Michael, and I tell you another prominent limiting factors in rainforest, which is poor soil. The soils in rainforest tend to be highly nutrient deficient and acidic, which also limit the types of plants. Furthermore, humans create limiting factors in the rainforest through deforestation, pollution, and hunting or poaching.
Now we'll explore the threats and conservation strategies that we have for tropical rainforest. Did you know that the primary causes of tropical rainforest biodiversity loss include deforestation and fragmentation, overexploitation, invasive species, and climate change? However, several strategies help conserve our tropical rainforest, such as ecotourism and rehabilitation, which are essential components of tropical rainforest conservation. In some locations, reforestation and restoration are common approaches to increasing rainforest density. And that ends our tropical rainforest eco tour. And for the next part, which is the open ocean, I have my co-tour guide Rhythm to guide you.
Let's go and explore open ocean. Open ocean is very deep, and as we go deeper, we see different layers as well as changes in the amount of variables it receives, like the pressure, the temperature, as well as the sunlight. As all species depends on resource availability, each layer of the ocean houses different types of species. On the sunlight zone, species are light dependent, such as fishes that we feed on like tunas and mackerels. While the twilight zone is dark and cold, we can see gelatinous animals present in that area. Lastly, the midnight zone, which is total blackout. It houses species like large jellyfish as well as large squids.
There are a variety of environmental factors that influence the growth, survival, and productivity of marine animals. These characteristics include light availability, water flows, oxygen levels, salinity, density, and pH, which vary from habitat to habitat and promote or hinder life processes of marine species that live there.
Now, let's explore the limiting factors that may affect the marine ecosystem. Environmental variables such as temperature, water salinity, the quality of light, nutrients level, and saturation state can all inhibit the growth of aquatic organisms. Temperature and salinity, for example, will prevent some species from flourishing in a particular location. The thermocline is a layer of water where the temperature fluctuates rapidly, and many creatures are unable to thrive beyond it.
Now we are going to explore the threats and conservation strategies we have in marine ecosystem, particularly in open ocean. So human activities like overfishing, ocean acidification, and ocean pollution are the threats to marine life forms. This will impact the food webs, biodiversity, and the survival of marine life forms. Good thing there are aquatic conservation strategies that help to protect marine ecosystem, such as using fewer plastics, restricting construction industries, and chemical facilities near the ocean, since their discharge has a negative impact on the ecology of the water body, resulting in biodiversity loss. So with this conservation strategy, we can prevent much more damage to our marine ecosystem. And that wraps up our Eco Tour. I hope that you enjoy and learned something today. And on behalf of Eco Travelogs, we would like to thank you all for joining our Eco Tour. This is Charity, your tour guide, signing off.